Welcome to Practical Civil Engineering with Engineer Wasim Alam, and today our new topic is bar bending schedule for column footing or the cut length of a footing steel bars. So for that we have a footing with the length of 2000 mm and with the width of 2000 mm, and the height of the footing is 300 mm. So we have to find the cut length of that bar. So for that we have to note the clear cover on each side will be 50 mm, dia of bar will be 12 mm, and the center to center distance will be on each bar will be 150 mm. So we have to find first man bars. For man bars, which is equal to, let's suppose this is called L and this is called B, suppose it. So or it's okay, L, so L minus 2 clear cover divided by spacing plus 1, because L is the total length which is 2000. So MB is equal to 2000 minus 2 into clear cover. So this is 50 and this is 50. So 50 clear cover. 2 because it's on each side, that's why we use 2. Divided by spacing which is 150 mm plus 1. So the man bars will give us 14 numbers. There will be 14 man bars. Now we have to find what? We have to find distribution bars. Distribution bars is equal to, suppose this is B, so B minus 2 clear cover divided by spacing plus 1. So B is also 2000. So 2000 minus 2 into clear cover, 1 and 1 2. So 2 multiply 50 divided by 150, which is center to center distance, plus 1. Distribution bars. It will give us also 14 NOS numbers. So now we have to add both of them. So total numbers is equal to 14 man bar plus 14 distribution bar is equal to 28 numbers. So total number of bar is 28. Now we have to find what? The cut length. So for cut length we have cut length. So for cut length we have a formula, L is equal to length, total length. Total length is equal to length minus 2 clear cover plus 2 H minus 2 clear cover minus 2 into 2D. So first let me Let me draw the diagram. These are the bars. So length, the total length is 2000 mm and the height is 300 mm. So we know the length, which is 2000 minus 2 into clear cover, 50 minus 50. So multiply 50 plus 2 h. H is the height. So the height is 300. 300 minus clear cover. Clear cover is 50 into 50. So 2 into 50 minus 2. This is 90 angle. The bend is 90 angle. So we will deduct 2 into 2 D mean dia bar, which is 12 mm. Let me tell you, suppose this is a bar. So it will elongate and this will contract. So for that we have to subtract this length. So for that we use 2D, but we said 2 into 2D because it is on both sides. These are 2. So for that we use 2 into 2D. So total length will be 2000 minus 100 plus 600 minus 100 minus 48. So 1900 plus 600 minus 48 minus 100 minus 48. So total length will be 2252 mm. That will be the total cut length. So that will be the total cut length for a one bar. Now we have to find total length of bar equal to cut length multiply numbers of bars. So cut length is 2252 mm multiply number of bars are 28. So it will give us 63056 mm. So the total length of bars will be 63.06 meter. These are in mm, these are in meter. So that will be in meter. If you want to find the weight, so for that unit weight is equal to 12 square divided by 162.162. It will give us 0.89 kg per meter cube. So 0.89 multiplied by 63.06, it will give us 56 kgs. So this is all about bar bending schedule for column footing and its cut length. So if you have any difficulties, you can ask in a comment, and if you don't subscribe our channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.